What's up, y'all? About to make another belching burping video. Yeah. So, got my controller. Let's turn this on. Got my soda. Let's get it on. Yeah. All right, let's play some Quake. I know I'm obsessed with Quake. I just want to get better. It's a hard game. I think I have potential in making the world record. Yeah? Yeah? Nah? I'm not playing. Okay. Going to see if my nightmares come true. Don't get a flat tire now. Just kidding. If you get a flat tire, you can always fix it. Just remember that. You can always fix a flat tire, man. Whoa! And that is my desire, is to be on fire. Yeah, boy. I'm not going to get shot by you guys this time. Of course, I always need the energy over there. Last of it. Oh, you're shooting me now? I don't think so, pal. I'll be like, pow. Yeah. Dream big, you know? Gotta dream big. This is a nightmare, though. I'm not dreaming, I'm having a nightmare, dude. In Quake. And it really is a nightmare. You have to worry about all the guys about to shoot you. I'm about to go back and get my shotgun, because, well, maybe not. I'll just do what the demo does and skip every single gun. That's what the demo does. You see the demos on here? He never has another gun in every single one. Just has a shotgun. Just notice. It's like, what the heck, dude? You don't collect guns? How'd you get to that level so quick? Did you skip in the cheat code area where you put codes in to play demos? Well, anyway, that's some nerdy crap, man. You know, 220. Okay. Yeah, I got really ripped there. I'm getting shot up. Yeah, I got shot up. I should have got that shotgun, dog. Well, are you going to burp, Spencer, or what? Yeah, that was real smart, dude. I don't know what I was thinking, man. He just blew himself up. Ah! Wow. You gotta love yourself, man. You really do gotta have self-love. Wah! Boo! Bah! Boo! Bah! That's what they say every time. I don't know how many times I've died on this part, but it sucks. Live and learn, right? They're trying to mess me up. I'll tell you that. Yeah, it's stupid scrag. You know what a scrag is? That is what a scrag is. You got scragged by a scrag. It's like, what the heck? They're not coming out? Bring it on, pal. 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 Pow, pow. Yeah. Pow, pow. Woo, 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 woo. I don't even know what it's gonna do. Oh, I fell down. What an idiot. Why are you doing it? Why are you doing that? Come on over the top of the dome. I'm not doing this right. Okay, come on. I'm gonna go this way. Because this is the way. Mess you up. I messed him up. Come on, controller. Trying to survive with the controller and messing up. I don't know what that was. I got the key, so I'm about to get this and do some damage. Watch. I'm so sick of this part. 421. That was close. Almost got 420. Ha! Yeah, that's right. Attack each other. Because that is what you're gonna get smothered with. It's heck. It's hell. That's what it is. Zombies! Oh, are you kidding me? I died. Oh well. Well, that's just the way the cookie crumbles. Let's do it again. I'm humble. Whee! Whee! I mean, look at them. They're just ridiculous. They're just ridiculous, man. You think you're going to smash me? Aw, poor baby. You can't get me. He's definitely not a baby, I'll tell you that. It's a fiend. It's a demon. All right. That was perfect timing. Oh boy, that was not good. Whoa, what the heck? Look at him, he's floating on the air. Whee! He's floating on air. That was trippy. Trippy, dude! Trippy! I'm dying. That is not good. Gotta get all the health I can get, dude. Going over the top of the dome, I'm up in the floor with these hoes. Oh, you want to attack me? I don't think so, dude. I don't think you want nothing. That's how you do it. I was trying to warp splash it. Warp splash. If you run to where they warp, they'll blow up into chunks. And he's really coming after me right there. You see that? That was close. Yeah, well, I'm done. Let's do some belching.
Dude, what are you, dude?
I'm doing good. I got all kinds of voices. Oh, and stay tuned because I got many ventriloquist voices coming to the channel. And I'm going to be releasing belchedburbs.com. So I'm going to be posting there instead of YouTube. So all the videos will be up. All the best videos that I like. And then you can look at that website as soon as I actually freaking publish it. So just wait just a second, okay? It'll be published. Anyway, I got problems. My mom's sick with COVID. She's in the hospital. She's doing better, but COVID is a monster. It really is. I'm not ever getting the shot. That's just me, but anyway. Take care of yourself, you know? Y'all take care of yourself. Because it's not easy to survive out here. Unless you drink lots of water. Drink lots and lots of water and stay in an alkaline state. You'll be fine. All right? Yep. Cancer cannot survive in an alkaline state. It's a fact. Anyway. Love y'all. All right. Take care.